Okay, today is day 1 of a 30-day core progression. So we are going to start with the basics and get those deep tummy muscles turned on. Make sure that you breathe throughout these exercises. And on the exhale, we're going to gently pull our belly button down and in towards our pubic bone and round our back on the ground. Every exhale, pull that belly button down and in and gently round against the ground. Good job. Okay, we are going to add a towel or block or pillow between our knees and continue performing this movement. So on the exhale, draw that belly down and in, gently press your back against the ground, squeeze your butt and squeeze your knees. Make sure to keep breathing and make sure your tummy muscles come down and in instead of pouching out. Now we are going to add a lift to this movement. So same thing, contract those lower tummy muscles, squeeze your butt, squeeze your knees. Maintain this squeeze as you come back down and relax once your bottom is on the floor. Good job, keep going, relax your jaw, relax your shoulders. Now we are going to perform mini crunches. You can keep your lower back rounded on the ground. Place your hands behind your head, making sure to use your tummy muscles to lift up. Don't strain your neck here. Keep breathing. We are going to repeat that on the side now. Same thing, your side tummy muscles are now doing the work. Your hands are there to support your head, making sure that you're not straining. Good job, everyone. Keep breathing. Switch sides. Squeeze those tummy muscles as you come up. Make sure you are exhaling and squeezing. A little bit every day is where we see long-term results. 6 minutes. You got this. Okay, we are going to repeat those again. This time you can go a little bit faster if you feel comfortable. So on the exhale, gently pull that tummy down and in, round your low back, making sure your neck is relaxed, your shoulders are relaxed, your tummy muscles are doing the work. Now, place the towel or block or pillow in between your knees and repeat that. So I like to contract on the exhale. As I'm breathing out, I'm gently drawing my belly down and in, squeezing my butt muscles and squeezing my knees. Waking up those deep tummy muscles that like to be lazy. Gentle little movements. Now add the lift. Keep that squeeze as you come back down. Make sure your neck muscles are relaxed. Make sure you're breathing. Push through your feet. Good job. Squeeze tummy, glutes, and knees. Next up are the crunches. Tiny little movements. Be mindful that your belly button is drawing down and not pouching out. Keep that little bit of a chin tuck. Same thing on the side. Pretend that you are holding an orange underneath your chin. That'll maintain a good position for your neck. Great job, guys. Almost done. We have one more after this, and then your 6 minutes of core is done for the day. Almost there. Keep breathing, keep squeezing. You've got this. A little bit more. And you are done. Proud of you. Great job, you guys. See you tomorrow.